Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that ukulele players make the world a better place. Do you agree? Come and join me playing these easy songs. They're 10 old school songs. They're good for both adults and kids alike, and they only use these chords, C, F, and G. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and check out the merch that I have down below because I've always got my favorite beverage nearby. Let's do this together. I've got the timestamp here for the play along if you need to zip ahead for the chords, but you know, if you need those chords, let's do that next. C, I'll bet you already know this C chord. Then with my index finger reaching across to my G string with my middle finger on the second fret is an F, and then there's a G chord. I play mine traditionally with these two fingers. Index finger goes on the C string, and then my middle finger goes on the A string, second fret, and then reaching over with my ring finger to the E string, third fret. I do want you to know that this is not the only way to finger a G. Some of my beginning students find it much easier to put their index finger on the A string and then reach across, and then like that. So if if that's more comfortable for you, do it. I'd like to also mention that having a strap on your instrument is really highly recommended. If you don't have a strap button, this is an electric uke and it doesn't have a strap button, put a command hook upside down on it. This is one I got from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, in fact it came as a 12-pack. Then you don't have to have one here, you can tie it up here. The strap really helps you because you don't have any responsibility with this hand to support your ukulele. Your strap will do the work if it's adjusted nicely. See, look Mom, no hands. I'm going to be doing a down, down, up strum for this, but you know, you could just do 2 down strums for each one. Don't do that up. That works just fine as well. I'm going to start off nice and slow and only 2 chords to start off with. 1, 2, or 1, 2, here we go. Goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pull the pier down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we're having fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of meal. Pick guitar, fill through jar, and be gay. Son of a gun, we'll having fun on the bayou. The mighty jungle, lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, lion sleeps tonight. Oh, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, oh, we moe, we moe, oh, we moe. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river. I've got peace like a river in my soul. more. Ain't gonna study war no 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 more. You are my sunshine, you're my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends of the ties that bind, because you're mine. I walk the line. Hey, don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out or looked down on. Just try your best. Try everything you can. And don't worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. I'm not the kind of girl who gives up just that. Oh no. Early in the evening, just about supper time, over by the courthouse, they're starting to unwind. Poor kids on the corner trying to bring you up. Willie picks a tune out and he blows it on the harp. Down on the corner, out in the street, Willie and the poor boys are playing Bring a Nickel, Tap Your Feet. Do you love me? I can really move. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Now do you love me? Do you love me now that I can dance, dance, dance? So watch me now and work, work. I'll work it all, baby. Work, work. Well, you're driving me crazy. Work, work. Just a little bit of soul now. Work, work. Oh, I hope you had fun playing that with me. Come back and play it with me again. This will always be here, and we got lucky my dogs didn't interrupt me. They're both snoozing. All right, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please become a patron. I'd love to have you as a patron, and don't forget to get the songbook that I have down below. Good luck on your ukulele journey. I hope to catch you in my next video.